Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get WhatsApp on iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you want to use WhatsApp, so let's see how can you get your own WhatsApp app. Now to do that, you have to very first check that you have a strongest and stable network connection, and after that you have to go back, open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. After that, go back, go for software update section, and you have to make sure that your iOS is up to date. Then go back, go for iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have almost 5 to 10 GB free in your iPhone storage. After doing that, you have to open your App Store, go for search, simply search for WhatsApp, and here you have to tap on your WhatsApp and you have to tap on this get option. If you want here a get option, you have to tap on get option. If you have already installed, so you will get update option here. You must have to update your app. So after updating, you have to go back and here you'll get your WhatsApp app. You just have to wait for it until its download completes. So after completing your download, you can easily use your WhatsApp app. You just have to create your account first and then you will be able to use the WhatsApp app without any issue on your iPhone or any iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.